Hello friends and fellow Disney fans, welcome back to the Jamie Thomas Show. My name's Brad and today we are at Disney's Hilton Head Resort checking out a 2-bedroom suite. So if that interests you, come along. So here we are at room 2821. This is a fair distance from kind of the check-in area, but everything is really nice and centralized in this resort. But let's check out this room. So right as you enter, you are greeted kind of with the main hall area. To your left is the 2-queen room with a full bathroom that way. To your right is the master suite with a full bathroom. And then straight ahead is your kitchen area. So let's go check out the kitchen area first. As you can see, just absolutely gorgeous. Tons of space for your entire family. What I really love, as soon as you walk in, is you've got this wonderful area where there is spots for people to sit, play games, have just conversations, and all of this, of course, facing a really rather large TV. Now, one of the things I like about this kind of entertainment station is they are starting to put not only places for you to charge and plug in your devices, but there's actually an external HDMI so that you can plug in your Apple TV or whatever external device. Maybe it's a video game system. I really like that they are designing these rooms for families to spend a lot of time here and really enjoy themselves. Plug in a DVD player, whatever it is. Now, you'll notice over here the little handlebars, and that's because this entire unit is yet another bed when you fold it down. Now, what's great about this queen-size double bed is right behind it is this beautiful shot of Donald Duck, and he is just hanging out in a hammock that is right in front of kind of the little lookout area that's here at the hotel. I'm going to show you that in other videos, but a beautiful mural. All throughout this room is wonderful art pieces that really just kind of set the theme. Right here you got Minnie and Mickey, and they are enjoying a nice kayak together out by Hilton Head, Disney's resort. Over on this side, you'll see there is a phone for you to use. And again, more kind of cool sea-themed artwork. Now, as you make your way over here, you will see kind of a kitchenette. The cast members obviously set the plates in kind of a Mickey design here, but this is a wonderful use of space. You can probably easily sit 5 to 6 people here. Just a wise use of space with that kind of corner couch area. Again, more artwork on the walls, and all of this leads into your kitchen. Kitchen has a wonderful kind of island space here. Again, more places for you to plug in items that are needed, and lots of places for food storage. This kind of works as a pantry for you because much of the shelving space here, while you can use it for more food and things of that nature, it does have plates and cutlery and all that kind of stuff. As you see, we've got a dishwasher, we've got a microwave in here. Again, some of the dishes that we're talking about. Up here, we've got a pitcher for making juice. Of course, you got your sink. I absolutely love this backsplash. Really beautiful. Again, more of your cutlery, dishes in here, cups for drinking. Here's a full stove. Perfect for making meals. Again, more cups, plates. You got a place for you to throw in your bread or your bagels in the morning to toast them in the toaster. Not all of this food's included. We brought this, but of course you do have a Keurig. All of this is provided by Disney here for your coffee in the morning. Again, more of your pots, your pans. Finally, some of your other cutlery, just Absolutely perfect for a good extended stay. Your fridge, full freezer, of course. There's an ice maker there, and then a real nice size fridge for your stay. Again, what I always love about these DVC resort rooms is you can really turn them into kind of your cabin, your home away from home. And so whether you're staying for a night or a week, you can really kind of move in and just enjoy the space. Now let's head out here. This particular room is on the second floor, has a beautiful view of the resort and also a place to kind of sit and relax. So let's check that out. It is about 8 at night here, so it's a little darker, but a couple of beautiful rocking chairs, plenty of places to sit. I love this because it's a great place to play cards, games, have your kids do artwork, and then look out over here. All sorts of places to do activity. Down there you've got a barbecue station so you can make some burgers or steaks or whatever you want to do. Bocce ball there, place to play checkers. So much fun. Let's head in. I'm going to show you the master room. All right, so heading back towards the main entrance, we're going to take a left here, and this is kind of a split direction. To your right you go to the bathroom, to your left you go to the master. Let's go to the master. Now inside the master you will find a beautiful large king size bed. You got side tables on each side with plenty of space. These are really big, lots of storage here. And then we've got chargers for your regular plugins as far as a USB and a USB-C. That is on both sides. So again, they're getting smarter and smarter about making sure there's plenty of places for you to plug in your electronics. I love, again, the artwork. We've got Goofy, who is doing his patented cast from the Goof Troop movie, or the Goofy movie. And then on the other side of the bed, you've got Mickey and Donald enjoying some nice time together, going fishing. Now, on the other side of the room, you've got, again, places to sit, lots of space to unpack for your several day trip here. Lots of places to sit and again, just enjoy yourself. Nice big TV. Underneath here, lots of storage. I'm very impressed with this renovation and how much space you get. Again, all of these, just more space for you to pack, unwind, and use this as you will. Here's a beautiful shot of the entrance lodge that you come to when you check in. And right outside here is the other side of, again, your balcony that you can go out and just relax on. All right, now that you've seen all of that, let's head over here and you're gonna see the master bathroom. This is absolutely huge. Right when you walk in, you've got a full tub, and above it, a mural of Goofy and Max enjoying some time fishing together. Isn't that just gorgeous? Over here, you've got your vanity, plenty of space on it, lots of countertop space for your toiletries, as well as these nice little kind of hidden features in the wall for you to put more of your toiletries. Just lots of ways to organize and have a real kind of home time here. There is more space, hair dryer. Over here you've got your closet, extra bedding, got a vacuum cleaner, way to wash the floors, and lots of space for you to put your stuff. Now if we turn around, head over here, you've got your toilet. Again, more artwork, Mickey and Minnie writing their names in the sand, and then a full walk-in shower. I love this shower, and I love, of course, access to all of the shampoos that smell so much like a Disney vacation. All right, now that we're done in the master, we can make our way over to the double queen bedroom. Now to your right, before you walk in there, there's a bunch of storage actually for all sorts of different items, including this really cute place to hang all of your coats or sweaters. Nice little place to either put your shoes or sit. And then to your left, what you have is an entire washer and dryer set. So again, a wonderful place for you to spend a week, really relax, unwind, and you don't have to worry about how much clothes should I bring. I mean, you can be doing laundry and you don't have to overpack. It's perfect. All right, let's head into the 2-queen bedroom here. So right when you enter, you can again just see the size scope of this space. Plenty of room for potentially 4 people to stay in here very, very comfortably. Again, on either side of both queen beds and in the middle, you have table space. Again, designed so well right now. On your little side tables, again, multiple places to plug in. You got your USB, your USB-C, and of course more artwork dedicated to Hilton Head Island and this whole area. What I love also is you've got reading lights that are available for either side of the bed, easy access. Again, absolutely loving all the touches to the theming of this resort. See kind of a pelican bird there, really, really cool. In the middle, you've got plenty of space again for your electronics. Just turn all those on. There, that really lights up the room. Those are the overhead lights above the headboard. You've got, again, plenty of space to store items, put stuff that you need, get organized for your week, and just enjoy yourself. On either of the side tables, again, there's actually nothing underneath, so another good place for potential storage. At the front of the room, you've got your television. Again, so much more places for you to plug your electronics in. And again, so much more storage underneath. Lots of places to sit, chairs for you to pull out, do your makeup, get yourself ready for the day. Let's again look at some of these drawers. Just tons of space for you to unpack and unwind. Again, you got lots of just beautiful artwork on the walls. Pictures that are artist recreation of Hilton Head Resort. And of course, you got Mickey and Pluto just enjoying themselves. Now, at the other end of the room, you've got your own bathroom. So let's go check this out. So on your left, you've got nice closet space. Tons of space for you to unpack. Lots of good spots for you to put your luggage, and lots of spots for you to put your luggage under the beds. Again, this refurb that they've had here is just awesome. Over in this little nook, you got a place to sit. And finally, you have this room's bathroom. So let's check this out. Again, more artwork that is Disney themed, hidden Mickeys included. You got your toilet, you got your vanity, more space for you to store toiletries. Beautiful large vanity that leads over into your standing shower and tub mix. So thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I hope it helps as you plan your next Disney vacation. And maybe you're watching this going, man, I'd love some help on my next Disney vacation. I want to encourage you to reach out to my wife, Jamie, who is the namesake of this channel. She is a travel agent who specializes in Disney vacation. She just serves as like a free concierge service to come alongside you and help you as you plan to have the most magical vacation possible. And if you're wanting to reach out to her, there's 2 easy ways to do that. You can contact her by email. Her email is jamiethomasshow@gmail.com, or you can look at the website www.clickthemouse.ca/JamieQuote. We can't wait to hear from you, and we'll see you real soon. Bye, guys.